Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to install a lace front wig. First you will need a tan or beige wig cap, and then I'm going on top with the Ebin lace spray just to hold everything down. I am doing the bod cap method. And now that I sprayed everything, I'm going in with cool temperature. And now we are cutting the ears out, but please be careful. And now we're going in with the tinted lace spray. You can use foundation, but I like the spray because it makes it way easier. Now the wig cap is how I want it to be. Now I'm going to cut it off around the hairline where I want it to be. Make sure you get everything off the ends of the wig cap just so it can lay flat. This hair is from Hershow Hair company. I will link everything down below. This is their curly kinky hair. And so I went in and did spray the lace on top. I'm showing you how I lay it flat. First I will cut into 3 sections. So now I'm going in with the glue. I did already add a layer, but this glue is Ghost Bond glue. This is the original one. I love it so much and it's extremely strong. And now that the glue is all done, I'm putting the lace on top of the glue and I'm pushing the comb on top of the lace just to hold it down and have it stick a little bit more. And now I'm applying the elastic band just to hold it down and let the glue dry. And now it's time to cut the lace. I'm going in with the razor, but you can use scissors. And I am gradually cutting it off, but you have to be very careful because you can cut your skin. Now I'm going in with my scissors just so I can get a little bit more precise cut. Moving on to the baby hairs, I like to do it a certain way. You can just follow my steps, or you can do a little bit at a time. Now that I just set my middle part, I'm going to spray a little bit more of the lace spray just to give it a little bit slicker look, make sure everything is tucked and nice. And now I'm going in with my edge wax. This is just to hold the flyaways down, to have a flatter look and a more slick look. Now to detangle and give the curls a little bit more of a pop, I'm wetting it with just regular water. And I am going in with my favorite Curl La La product. And I also am using the Wet n Wavy styling liquid. The elastic band definitely did its job. Everything is dried and nice. And now it's time to move on to the baby hairs. And now right here, what I am doing is using a little bit of my witch hazel just to take some of the glue off the hair. And now the baby hair is cut how I want to, it's time to style them. I'm going in with my mousse, and over it I'm going on with a Wet n Wavy styling gel. And now this is the final look. You would want to put a scarf on and let it dry a little bit more. But thank you for watching, dolls. I'll see you in my next video.